Hi there, darlings, and welcome back to Health Zen. If you are trying to reduce your belly fat like me while staying healthy, you've come to the right place. I started my lazy diet to try and shrink my belly fat about 3 weeks ago, and I wouldn't have believed to see results this fast. So I thought I will share with you all, dear ladies, in case you want to give it a try. As I shared in my previous videos, one of my basic foods for detoxifying and cleansing my body is soup. I promise that I am going to dedicate a short video for this amazing topic because I find it very useful in my journey with losing weight without feeling hungry all the time. I am going to link my previous videos in the description box if you want to check them out. But for now, let's dive into the topic of the great benefits of soup in your diet. Did you know that one of the simplest, most delicious ways to detox your body and lose weight is soup? Yep. That comforting bowl of goodness can be your best friend when it comes to cleansing your system and shedding those extra pounds. And if these benefits didn't convince you, I am going to share with you a third great benefit when adding one ingredient you wouldn't guess what it is that makes a soup that helps with getting collagen in your body in a healthy way. Yes, a soup that detoxifies, helps with losing weight, and gives you a boost of collagen your body needs to stay youthful. First, let's talk about detoxing. Soups are packed with nutrient-rich ingredients like vegetables, herbs, and spices, all simmered together to create a powerhouse meal. Many soups are loaded with antioxidants and vitamins that help your liver and kidneys, your body's natural detoxifiers, flush out toxins. Think of it as a gentle reset for your body. Vegetable-based soups are especially amazing. Ingredients like carrots, celery, spinach, and garlic are not only low in calories but also full of fiber and hydration. This combination helps your digestive system run smoothly, keeping bloating and sluggishness at bay. Now let's talk about weight loss. Soups can be surprisingly filling while staying low in calories. The secret? Their high water content. A bowl of soup before a meal can help you feel satisfied, so you naturally eat less. And if you make it at home, you can skip the hidden sugars, salts, and preservatives often found in store-bought options. One of my favorite types of soups for both detoxing and weight loss is a broth-based soup. Think miso, clear veggie broths, or even chicken soup with lean protein and lots of greens. These soups are light but nutrient-packed, giving your body what it needs without feeling heavy. And as I promised, an ingredient that fills your soup with healthy collagen to keep your body youthful, and that is bones. Yes, cooking chicken back, legs, or beef bones or any kind of bony meat fills the broth with collagen. This is such an amazing topic for me, making collagen-filled soups, that I am going to make a separate video on that, darlings. So whether you're looking to cleanse your body, lose weight, stay youthful, or simply enjoy a nourishing meal, soup is the way to go. I add soups to my diet every day and I feel the benefits already. Thank you for watching, darlings, and please feel free to come back to check out my next video where I'm going to share with you more details about why collagen is good for you, how to get collagen in your diet naturally, and some simple and very easy recipes. Until then, stay healthy, and don't forget, don't stress, be zen. Be